Okay, so I know I got interrupted with that last video, so I'll just make this quick. So we are calculating how much excess reactant will remain. So when we do that, we always start with our limiting reactant and calculate how much excess reactant is needed in moles. And we had previously done this, but if we hadn't done it, then you would have to do that first. And then your next step is you are going to subtract this from how much was given. So it's really like you're taking your excess reactant amount that's given in the question, and then you're going to subtract the excess reactant amount that's going to be used or needed, which is this one. And then that'll give you how much excess reactant there really will be left over. So in the question, we had 0.50 moles of C3H8 given when we first converted to moles, and then 0.16 moles are actually gonna react based on the limiting reactant, which gives us 0.34 moles of C3H8 that we're gonna have left over, excess or leftover. And from there, by the way, I could easily calculate the grams, the molecules, anything, but I always start with taking the moles of limiting, convert it to the moles of the excess, subtract it from the moles of the excess that were given in the question, even if it wasn't directly given, but you calculated it in the beginning, and then subtract, and then you can go from there if needed. So I hope that helps, and practice, practice. Bye.